Hi everyone, this is Jordan Abroad and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And regarding all of those people who are considering on starting a profession in New Zealand, like an assistant in healthcare or mental health supporting worker roles, this video provides an extensive overview to various or different beginner medical positions that can be available for applicants having no or limited previous work experience. And this is a great content to discuss and share with you. So disclaimer, I'm not an immigration advisor and I'm not part of any recruitment agency, and I'm just sharing this based on my research and observation while applying for jobs here in New Zealand. So because I noticed that among the jobs I applied for, I will mention the ones that are a great fit for people who have no or limited experience in working. So let's start. So firstly, one of the positions available for applicants having no or limited previous work experience is the equipment reprocessing sterile service technicians. So what exactly it includes? So healthcare equipment for operations undergoes cleaning, assessing, and putting together, and disinfection. So this position is ideal for people who have great confidence performing duties for hospital assistant departments or in a hospital setting than performing actual treatment to patients. So next position, number 2, for applicants having no or limited previous work experience is the healthcare assistant roles. So when it comes to education and training for this role, training programs or on-the-job training are required for numerous professions, and healthcare facilities and nursing homes commonly accept candidates who have little or no background for beginning roles in healthcare positions. So the preferred credential for healthcare assistant roles are personal qualities such as being confident, compassion or empathy. That's the number one qualities that you must have, the empathy. So another is endurance, strong interpersonal skills or good communication skills, and social flexibility. So the next position, the third one available for applicants having no or limited previous work experience, is the community support healthcare roles. So this involves level 3 or level 4 worker roles frequently appear in contexts related to mental health and well-being, and such as care for the elderly or people with medical conditions, and that's it. And so the next position, the number 4 position that is available for applicants having no or limited work experience or limited previous experience, is the entry-level assistant careers. So this position is a great fit if you are interested in administrative tasks, helping institutions, or for example, general offices. So these are the job duties of healthcare professionals or clinic reception positions such as medical receptionist, medical customer service representative, and client service trainee. So the last but not the least position available for applicants having no or limited previous work experience is the administration support or ward clerking in hospital. So this position involves receiving patients, handling administrative duties such as handling medical records and documentations. There is no clinical background needed for these clerical positions. So being organized, having a proactive approach, and strong communication skills and strong customer service abilities are highly recommended qualities to begin working for these positions. So in addition to this, you can present several applications to employment websites such as SickJobs NC. Even when requirements are in place, sometimes visa sponsorship for foreign applicants can vary. So additional tips for all of you is that vehicle matters. So having a car of your own or a New Zealand driver's license significantly increases your potential for employment and flexibility in the workforce. And another tip is you can obtain certifications such as level 2 or 3 certificates increases your employability. And lastly is part-time caring positions can evolve to full-time positions, and sponsorship if you are demonstrating integrity and consistency of your work. So a very important tip is that wait patiently and apply patiently, and hoping that you can find the right employer for you. And that is all for the content today, and hoping for the best to your job seeking experience and your job seeking goals. So once again, this is Journey Abroad, and thank you very much for watching. See you on our next videos. Bye!